Okay, so here I am inside of Clickfunnels, and as you can tell, I am so excited to show this to you guys. So the coolest thing about Clickfunnels is that you're not limited by just a certain template or a page, but literally you can do just about anything. So when you first log in, you'll notice that there's different types of funnels we've kind of pre-created for you. The first are opt-in funnels you can use to build a huge email list and generate leads for whatever business you're in. Second are sales funnels where you can sell your products. You can have one-click upsells and downsells and more. Next are our webinar funnels. So if you want to do a webinar funnel kind of like the one you're on right now, we also have our automated webinar funnels. You can create full-blown membership sites, as I'll show you here in a minute. You can create product launch funnels. So if you've got a new product you want to launch, you can use one of these. Or if you have an idea for a funnel or you saw somebody else that has one and you want to create something from scratch and build out any kind of crazy funnel you can dream of, you can do that right here inside of custom funnels. Now, for this demo, I'm going to show you guys how to create an actual sales funnel. So we're going to build out the funnelology funnel right now. So the first step I'm going to do is click on create funnel. And I can name the funnel, so I'll call it funnelology demo. Now after I click the create funnel button, in the background it's going to go and create all the pages that we have inside of a sales funnel. Okay, so you notice here we've got our squeeze page, our sales page, our order forms, order confirmation page, and our thank you page. Now the funnel we kind of mapped out earlier had a couple different pages that aren't in here yet, and there was no order confirmation page. So I'm actually going to go right here and I click on this X and that'll kill the order confirmation page. And here we kind of get to design the funnel and add the different pieces that we know we need. The other thing I know we need is we need an upsell page. Okay, and there's not an upsell page right now, so all I do is I click on this and I create upsell page, type that, and that'll go and create my upsell page. And the other thing that we needed from the diagram is we needed a membership site. So I'm going to click on add new page and write membership site. Click on that. And now we got our membership site as well. Okay, now after you've created all the steps, so we've got our squeeze page, sales page, order form, thank you page, upsell pages. The next step is I need to go and choose what I want my squeeze page to look like. Okay, so I clicked right here, and as I scroll through here, you'll see a whole bunch of different templates, and there's tons of different templates you can pick from. So here's a bunch from here. We're always adding new ones all the time. So there's some of the templates. You can click and see a two-step template or a video opt-in template. So you kind of go through it and see which one you like. Okay. Now for this example, I'm gonna come back here to opt-in templates, and I'm probably gonna pick. Let's see. I will pick. There's so many cool ones. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this one right here. So I'm gonna click on that as my template, and it'll go through and it'll add that page template here for my squeeze page. All right, so now the squeeze page is done. You kind of see a thumbnail of what it's going to look like right here. And what's cool is this dashboard is going to show you how many visitors you get, what your conversion rate, how many leads you've generated. You'll be able to see traffic stats here coming in as we start driving traffic. You can set up split tests on any page you want. You can set up email marketing, have different emails go out after somebody subscribes to your squeeze page. It's a lot of cool things we don't have time to share with you right now. But what I want to do now is I want to show you how we edit a page. So you click on open in the editor, and it's going to log you now into the Clickfunnels editor. Now, I'm sure in the past you've probably had a chance to edit pages in different website editors online, but I want to show you that Clickfunnels is different than any other website editor out there. Okay. Now it starts really similar. I can come right here and I can change my headline. Okay, I can go to my subheadlines. I can bold things. I can go and I can make them bigger if I want. So you can do a lot of things that a lot of other website editors can do. But now I want to show you what other website editors can't do that's only available inside of Clickfunnels. Okay, so let's say, for example, I like this page right here, but I want to add something underneath here. I want to add a countdown clock. All I do is I go right here and add a block. Then I click right here and have a whole bunch of elements I can add. I can add a headline. I can add an image. I can do text blocks. I can do buttons. I can do videos. I can do all sorts of stuff. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to make a countdown clock. So I'll add this little countdown clock here, and then I click right here and I can edit it. So I'm going to make it a little bit, I'm going to put circles. I'm going to make it white so we can see it a little bit better. And I'll make the sub a little bit white, and I'm going to make it a little bigger because I like these countdown clocks big. And boom, that fast, I just added a countdown clock. Now, the other cool thing is, let's say I made the countdown clock, and I'm like, it's cool, but I don't like it right here. I want to move it. Instead of having to go hire a website designer to move it, I can just click on it. I can drag and drop it anywhere I want. Now the countdown clock's on top. Let's say I want underneath. I just grab and drag, and boom, now the countdown clock is underneath that. Is that awesome, you guys? Now I can do anything that I want like that. There's so many elements. Let's say I want a button here. I can click on the little plus button, go through all the different elements and look for things. I have pricing tables, FAQ blocks, Facebook comments, custom HTML, anything I want. So for here, I'm going to add a button, and boom, that fast, I have a button pop up in there. I can click on this. I can add the text to say, join my list now. If I want, I can add little icons here. So I click on the little icon here. Let's say I want an arrow. Let's say I want a plus. And that fast, I can make this look just awesome. So I'm going to have that right here. And now I've got a button there. And if I want, I can make it even bigger. I got a large button there. Okay, and that quick and that easy, guys. You can edit your page. You can add in anything you want. And again, let's say you don't like something, you can just drag and drop, move things around. Let's say you want the countdown clock on this side now. And literally, you guys can customize this page to your heart content and make it do and look any way you want, which is exciting. Okay, so there it is. I just created the squeeze page. So page number 1 is done. Now, obviously, for the funnel, the funnelology funnel, I'm going to kind of go back afterwards and kind of add in the headlines and make it perfect for you. But I want to show you just how easy that was. Isn't that cool, you guys? How easy was that for me to go and edit that page? Okay, I didn't have to have a tech person or anything. I myself, Russell, who's got no tech skills whatsoever, was able to go and edit that page and make it look awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go to the sales page. And same thing, I come through here and I can pick which template I like. And again, there's tons of video sales letter templates. There's sales letter templates. You just pick which one you like. So I'm going to pick this one for this example. I let it go and actually create that page and it'll add it to my funnel. All right, so now you can see kind of a preview of that page again. And again, I can set split tests. I can watch my conversion rate, see my traffic stats. But right now, I'm going to come here and edit it. And this is the same way that I would edit the squeeze page, but this time, obviously, it's my sales letter. Okay, and so I come back through and I can look at everything. If I want, I can add a video. Let's say I want to add a video in right here. Boom, there's a video now that I can sell the product. I can make it big or I can make it smaller. Now I've got a video. And let's say, again, I've got a long form sales letter here. I can keep adding more sections and more blocks if I want. I can turn this into an order button. So I can change the add to cart. I can make it larger if I want. I can come down here to icons and I can go and add in a little shopping cart, and I've got a cool add to cart button. If I want to change the color, I can just click on the color right here. Let's say I want it more like an orange color. I can do that. And now, boom, I've got an orange add to cart button. And that quick, I can go and change that. I would now connect that to my order form, and boom, my entire sales letter is now finished. Again, if I had a video, I'd plug the video right here. I can use YouTube, Vimeo, any of the popular video services, plug in the link, and boom, that fast, my sales video is done. Is that cool? All right, so you see me build a squeeze page and sales page out that fast. Now I'm going to show you guys a couple other cool things that I think are important for you guys as well. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but I want you to understand, because this is how the process works, right? Squeeze page is done, sales page is done. Now I come in here and do the order form. Now the order form typically is really hard to do in any other service. And so, for example, let's say you're using Infusionsoft or Entreport or some third-party shopping cart. Have you ever noticed that their order forms are super ugly and you can't edit them, you can't do anything with them, you're kind of stuck with the order form that they give you? And we didn't like that. And so if you're using Infusionsoft or you're using Entreport or using any of those third-party services, we already integrate with them. You just add your API information, which is super easy to do. And after you've done that, instantly we pull in all your information, and then you can use Clickfunnels to design amazing-looking order forms. Is that awesome? Okay, now again, this is what the order form kind of looks like at a default, but really quickly I can add anything I want here. Okay, so let's say I want a video to go and kind of explain my product a little more. I can make my little video block right here, and boom, there's the video on my order form. Or let's say I can just drag and drop that and move it down here if I want, and there that fast. Now my video is right here. Okay, I can change the headline. I can add my logo in here. I can move things around. Let's say I want the credit card block on top. I can just drag and drop it. And oops, I dragged the video accidentally. Let me move that back. So I move the video there. I can move the credit card block around if I want, and that fast I can make my order pages look exactly how I want. Now, I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried to do this manually on your own, typically when you try to move things around on an order form, it usually breaks everything. Okay, I used to have tech guys, and I'd ask them to update my order form and move things, and they would do that, and literally by going through that process, they half the time was break the order form, and nobody could buy. Where now Clickfunnels makes it so they can't screw it up, they can't break it, and really quick, in just a few clicks of a mouse, I've got an amazing order form that's ready to take orders. Now, if you're not using Infusionsoft or Entreport or some third-party shopping cart, that's okay, because Clickfunnels also has a shopping cart built into it, and you can literally, within a click of a button, have a shopping cart up and running all the way inside of Clickfunnels. Okay, so there's my order form. It's now finished. Now, so far, you guys, I got my squeeze page, my sales letter, my order form done. Most people, that would take them a week or more to get done with a traditional designer and programmer. We did it in, what, 5 minutes so far? Okay, now I'm going to do the upsell page. So I'm going to make my upsell page, and I will now be able to choose my template. So this is one I really like, so I will click on that. Okay, so now you see the upsell page has been added here. I can go and edit it, but one thing you notice is it's kind of out of order, right? Squeeze page, sales page, order form, thank you page, and upsell page. I need the upsell page to happen after the order form, after they buy, right? So I can come right here, I can grab this, I can drag and drop it, and boom, that fast now, it's in the correct order. And it automatically updated all the internal linking, all the stuff that tech guys and programmers always screw up. Clickfunnels does it right every single time. You just drag and drop and boom, it works. And now here's my sales funnel. I can come in here, same thing I showed you, I can edit my, my upsell page. I'm not gonna do that right now because you've seen me edit some pages, but the cool thing about this is typically in the past, if you wanted to have a one-click upsell or one-click downsell, I remember I was using Infusionsoft before and I wanted to set up a one-click upsell. It cost me $2,500 to get a one-click upsell to work. Inside ClickFunnels, I click one button and it magically works. Okay, so it's really easy. I can create my thank you page and everything's kind of done, right?